Okay. Let us discuss the test. Hope all of you were able to do the test. Okay. So it's your honesty. Today you will be giving the answers, right? I'll be listening to the answers that you have done in the test, right? So first is choose the correct option. Name the instruments used to measure rainfall. 4 options were given: rainometer, rain gauge, rain check, and none. Astha, I would like to hear answer from you. Astha? Astha? Unmute yourself. No response. Abhishek? Abhishek? No response from Abhishek. Adish? Adish? It means these students have not done the test. Arish Sharma?
Ma'am, the answer is rain gauge.
Answer is rain gauge, very right. We can measure the rainfall by an instrument called rain gauge. What is the other name of lion-tailed macaw? Options were toucan, beard ape, long hair ape, all of these. Punya? Punya?
Beard ape.
Beard ape, very right. Beard ape. You know why it is called beard ape? Could anybody tell? Akul, I would like to hear the answer from you. Why it is called beard ape?
Ma'am, yes, it is called.
Huh?
Ma'am, it is called beard ape because it has very long.
No, 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 no. Beard तो नहीं है. Beard word is wrong. Bani. Bani.
Ma'am, because it has hairs from the chin from the cheeks to his chin.
No, it has silver white mane starting from his face, passing through the cheek and up to the chin, right? Which give appearance of beard. Okay? Hope it is clear. Now, next is which horizon of soil is rich in humus? Akshima. Which horizon?
A horizon.
Horizon A. आप इसको horizon भी बोल सकते हैं. Then food in plants is transported to all parts of plant by xylem, phloem, both, none. I would like to ask the answer from Anant. 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 Would you like to answer, beta? नो रिस्पॉन्स फ्रॉम अनंत. जिसको आंसर नहीं आता वो बोलता ही नहीं है. अनमोल कौर. अनमोल कौर.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ जी, आंसर इट.
Yes, ma'am.
Which food in plants is transported to all parts of plant by xylem, phloem?
Xylem.
Wrong. Wrong. Okay, Adish. Adish. No response. Anve.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Anve, would you like to answer?
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Morning. Speak loudly.
Ma'am, phloem is the answer.
What is the answer?
Fourth question, ma'am.
Hanji?
Ma'am, phloem is the answer.
Right. Phloem is the
Phloem.
answer. Phloem. Okay. What do you call the coil of wire in electric heater? What do you call the coil of wire in electric heater? Samiksha, would you like to answer? Samiksha. No response. Shivam Thakur. Shivam Thakur. No. Mankirat. Where is Mankirat? Yes, beta. No response. Mehakpreet. Mehakpreet. हाँ जी.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, Mehak.
Good morning, ma'am.
हाँ जी.
An element.
Element is the right answer. Very right. Element is the right answer. Next, answer the following. First question is draw symbol of wire. Wire का symbol बताना है. Very simple. You can draw the symbol of wire like this. This is the symbol of wire. Okay. Right. Next, draw circuit diagram. Circuit diagram you have to draw. Again, it is very easy. How you have to draw? You can draw either closed circuit or open circuit. Right. Like this. Draw the wires. Here, you can draw the bulb. ओके अगर तो ये ओपन सर्किट है तो इट विल नॉट बी ग्लोइंग. इफ इट इज क्लोज्ड सर्किट देन इट विल बी ग्लोइंग. हियर यू हैव टू ड्रॉ सेल. सो हाउ यू विल ड्रॉ? Right, positive, negative. Okay, got it. Then next question is name the components of blood. Now you have to tell the answer of this. Drawing part I have covered. Jayant.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, two components of blood are fluid component and solid component. मैम उनके भी वो बता दूं कि फ्लूइड कंपोनेंट और वो सॉलिड कंपोनेंट क्या है.
बिल्कुल बताने हैं. अगर सिर्फ इतना लिखोगे तो आंसर रॉन्ग हो जाएगा. आधे नंबर मिलेंगे.
मैम फ्लूइड कंपोनेंट में मैम ब्लड प्लाज्मा और सॉलिड कंपोनेंट में आरबीसीज, डब्ल्यूबीसीज एंड प्लेटलेट्स.
यस, वेरी राइट. गुड जयवंत. नेक्स्ट इज राइट 4 अडेप्टेशंस ऑफ एलिफेंट. एलिफेंट की कोई 4 अडेप्टेशंस बताओ. हु विल टेल द आंसर? हरिडली रेज योर हैंड्स. यस बानी. यस बानी, हरी आप. No response.
Ma'am, third question.
हाँ जी बेटा. Adaptations of elephant.
Tusk. It has a long tusk that is used to take fruits from tree and help to put fruits in the mouth. Ears has long ears that help to listen the lightest voice. Flap ears like fan. Foot. It helps the foot helps him to walk on the grasses in the jungles.
What about trunk?
That helps to protect from enemies.
Trunk.
Trunk. It has a long trunk that is it has a long trunk that is used to take fruits from trees and help to put fruits in mouth.
Okay, right. Right, Bunny. Then next is 3 marks answers. Explain any 3 properties of soil. Here you have to explain, right? Hardik. Hardik.
Hello. Hello, good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, please repeat.
Explain any 3 properties of soil.
Ma'am, I don't know the answer.
You don't know the answer? Very bad. Anyone else? Avni. Yes, Avni.
Yes, good morning, ma'am.
Morning, bete. Answer it.
Ma'am, the first property is soil contains air. The soil contains air. To check that air is contained in soil, take some garden soil in a beaker, add water in it. We will see some bubbles coming out while pouring water. These bubbles are of the air present in the soil. When we pour water in the soil, the water goes into the spaces of air and replaces the air. The air then comes out in form of bubbles. Due to the presence of air in the soil, the small animals are able to live in the soil.
Right.
Ma'am, second property is soil contains water. The soil also contains water. To check the presence of water in soil, take some soil in a beaker, cover it with a lid. Now heat the soil. After some time, when we will remove the lid, we will see water droplets on the lid. The water droplets come from the water present in the soil. When we heat the soil, the water in the soil gets evaporated and becomes water vapors. These water vapors rise up. When these come in contact with the cool surface of the lid, condensation takes place and the water vapor change into water droplets. So this shows that soil contains water.
Then third.
Then third is water gets circulated from the soil. And when water is poured into the soil, some water is absorbed while some water passes down. This process of passing down of water from the soil particles is called percolation. Percolation takes place in all types of soils. In some types of soils, it is less, while in some types of soils, it is more. The clay soil has soil particles tightly packed, so it can retain more water, and the percolation is less in clay soil. To find the rate of percolation of water, there is a formula. The rate of percolation.
Right. Very right. Based on this formula, numericals can be asked, means what amount of water is percolated, what is the rate of percolation. This you have to calculate. Okay, next question. Very right answer, Avni. What are the climatic conditions found in tropical rainforest? Name 2 animals found there. Who would like to answer the climatic conditions found in tropical rainforest? Anybody? Hardik wants to answer. Yes, Hardik. He is not responding. Anyone else who wants to respond? Mehakpreet. Mehakpreet, would you answer? Mehakpreet.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning.
Yes, ma'am.
Hanji bache, answer.
The climatic conditions found in tropical rainforest. The climate of tropical rainforest is hot and humid as it is located near the equator.
Okay.
Rainfall occurs here throughout the year. 2 animals found here
humid.
are elephants.
That is why it is humid. Aage? Aage? What are the animals found?
Animals found here are elephant, big cat.
Big cats, right. Bache, here you can explain
Elephant, big cat.
due to this type of climatic conditions, forests here are grown in abundance. There is large amount of forest, right? In these forests, basically two types of animals are found, prey or predators. Clear? Two animals that are found are elephant, you can say, or big cats, lion-tailed macaw, you can tell this. Okay. Next question, explain the construction and working of electric bell. Who would like to answer this? Explain the construction and working of electric bell. जिसको आता है वो ही अपना हैंड रेस करे. अकुल. Akul, I guess he wants to answer. Yes, Akul. Yes, Akul. Electric bell explain करोगे?
मैम यस. मैम दोनों ही कि सिर्फ एक?
हाँ जी. मैम दोनों क्या?
दोनों ही ना. कंस्ट्रक्शन एंड वर्किंग
था क्वेश्चन में.
द कंस्ट्रक्शन.
हाँ, started.
Yes. Number one, construction. An electric bell consists of a gong, a coiled wire,
electric bell,
an electromagnet, iron rod, hammer.
Electric bell है क्या? It is the effect of magnetic effect of current, right? It has electromagnet in it. अब start करो construction.
Okay. Number one, construction. Construction of an iron bell consists of a gong, coiled wire, and a hammer, a screw, and a electromagnet. Now, working of electric bell. When the current passes through the electromagnet to attract.
Akul, I guess it is not clear. You are not audible to us.
To attract gong bell.
Yes, students, it is very much clearly given in your NCERT. It consists of a coil of wire wound on an iron piece. The coil acts as the electromagnet. An iron strip with hammer at one end is kept close to the electromagnet. There is a contact screw near the iron strip. When the iron strip is in contact with the screw, the current flows through the coil, which becomes an electromagnet. Right? जब हम करंट पास करते हैं, राइट, तो क्या होता है? आयरन जो है स्क्रू के कांटेक्ट में आता है, जो आयरन स्ट्रिप है, देन it becomes the electromagnet. It then pulls the iron strip. In this process, the hammer at the end of the strips strikes the gong of the bell to produce a sound. However, when the electromagnet pulls the iron strip, it also breaks the circuit. Right? Clear? This is working. The current through the coil stops flowing. Right? Now, because when the current stops flowing, it will not. It will, please don't send me the messages like this. I am getting distracted, please. Okay. Now, what will happen when the current is not passed? When the current stops flowing through the coil, now it will not remain an electromagnet. It will, because it is not an electromagnet, it will not attract the iron strip, right? Iron strip जो है, it will come back to its original position and touches the contact screw again, right? जब वो दोबारा से screw को touch करेगा, the circuit will be completed and hammer will strike the gong. Is that clear? Is that clear? It is very much given in your book. Okay. Right. Now coming to the next question. Our next question is answer in detail. Draw and label the structure of human heart. Shall I start? करें draw, मेरे साथ साथ कर लो please. कर रहे हो? Okay. First, draw like this. हाथ नहीं उठाना. हार्ट में ना हार्ट बनाना है तो एक खासियत होती है, हाथ नहीं उठाना होता. राइट? देन स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हेयर. अगर आपका हाथ उठ गया तो डायग्राम में प्रॉब्लम आ जाएगी. इतना ड्रॉ कर लो. राइट? नाउ व्हाट विल हैपन इज, यहीं से बिकॉज टू मेम्ब्रेन स्ट्रक्चर है, draw like this. Like this. Okay. Now, what you have to do, extend it a little bit. Chicken. Then draw like this. Let me raise from the top. यहां तक लेके आना है आपको. राइट? इज दैट क्लियर? लाके up to here and close it. Okay. Now another, it will start from here. Go like this. यहां से dotted कर लो चाहे. Right? इसको ऐसे. Okay. Clear? Now, I hope ऊपर से भी clear हो आपको. दिख रहा है? Now, at the top, draw a, इसको इसके साथ join करना ना, like this, right? Like this. Okay. One you have to draw here. ऊपर से नजर आ रहा है? Right? See to it. One you have to draw here. Okay. Then here. Then what you have to do is okay. Now complete the septum part. Septum को आपने कैसे complete करना है? It will go like this. यहां पे ये single हो जाएगी. Right? Is that clear? Okay. Now shall we start the labeling? What will happen? First of all, draw the arrows. Oxygenated blood enters here, right? Then it will go to here, and from this side it will enter here. Okay. How deoxygenated blood will move? SA, going back from here, it will go here. This is deoxygenated blood which is going to the lungs, right? Same from here, it will go here through this, right? Now shall we start the labeling? Shall we come to the labeling part? Okay, first of all, this is left atrium. This is right atrium. 4 chambers should be clear, beta. Then this is right ventricle. This is left ventricle. Okay. Then after this, फटाफट से खत्म कर लें. Then after this, this is septum, right? After septum, Akul, we will be having the recorded lecture, so don't worry. Okay. Then after septum, this is pulmonary vein. Here is pulmonary vein. Pulmonary vein में क्या होता है? We did all the veins carry deoxygenated blood except pulmonary vein. तो pulmonary vein में क्या जा रहा है? Oxygenated blood. Oxygenated blood. Okay. Now then, this is pulmonary artery. What is this? Pulmonary artery में क्या होता है? Deoxygenated blood. Pulmonary artery. What does it carry? Deoxygenated blood. It takes out the deoxygenated blood and carry it to lungs. Right? बच्चे प्रबल timings will be sent to you by your class in charges. Okay. Then after this, this is superior vena cava. And this is inferior vena cava. Okay. Is it clear now? मैं ये इरेज कर देती हूँ सारा ऊपर से. ओके. देन अब नीचे को कर दूं थोड़ा सा. यस. Adish, don't worry, we have a recorded lecture. Akul, we can see this recorded lecture. Otherwise, जो आपको कनिका मैम ने करवाया आप वो भी कर सकते हो. This is as it is given in your NCERT, right? Is this clear? Yes, Adish, I'm repeating the labelings. ऊपर वाले दो chambers. Avni, I will see to it. Otherwise, recorded तो पड़ा ही है lecture. These are atriums, right atrium, left atrium. Heart has 4 chambers, right? ऊपर वाले atriums, right atrium and left atrium. Then नीचे वाले ventricles, they are right ventricle and left ventricle, right? Then उसके बाद the separation between these two is done by septum. Okay. Then here is the pulmonary artery. You can see this pulmonary artery which is carrying deoxygenated blood. This which is carrying deoxygenated blood. Then this is pulmonary vein which is carrying oxygenated blood. Then after this you can see superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. Okay. Septum is there to separate out the two ventricles. With the this is a partition that completely separate the ventricles into 2 halves. You can see here halves में separate हैं. It is done by septum, right? Two upper chambers, they are known as atriums, and the 2 little chambers, atria, plural होता है atria, and the 2 lower chambers, they are known as ventricles, right? जो partition है, it helps to avoid mixing of blood rich in oxygen with blood rich in carbon dioxide. ये जो partition है, it helps to separate out oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. Okay? Yes, Adish, I know that is why मैंने ये करवाया है. उस दिन भी due to some reasons I couldn't. Only few minutes are left.